We are going to process the logs to find top 10 records with Spark Shell using the code available at Git Gist here. Git Gist is a feature of GitHub to share the code snippets. Now, let's log into Web Console. Start Spark Shell. Wait for it to show the scalar prompt. We are going to switch between Git Gist window and console window for copy-pasting on Spark Shell from Git Gist. The statement creates an RDD from the file located in HDFS. Please note that even though it is a compressed file, Spark will uncompress it automatically. This RDD accessLogs is made up of records where each record is a line from the file. Let us check what's in the RDD by using take 10. You can see that each record of accessLogs RDD is a line. Now, let's create a function that checks if a line has a valid IP address. This function should accept a line as argument and should return Boolean value true if the line contains the IP address, otherwise return false. Let us check this function contains IP with a line that doesn't contain IP address in the beginning, and with another line that contains IP in the beginning. You can see that it has returned false for the first input and true for the second input. That means contains IP is okay. Let's filter our records in accessLogs RDD using this function. Let's take a look at the records of IP accessLogs using take. You can see that only those lines are left which have IP addresses. Next, we create a function called extractIP, which extracts the IP from the whole line. Let's check this function with some random input. You can see that it has extracted IP out of the lines. Now, in this statement, we are going to do two things. First, extracting IP address, and second, creating a tuple with the key as this extracted IP address and value as 1. We can take a look using action. Now, let's compute the frequencies of each IP using reduce by key. IP counts is an RDD which contains the key as the IP address and value as the total number of occurrences of each IP. We can take a look at the values using take. Next, since we want to find out most frequent IP addresses, we would have to sort this RDD based on the count. This can easily be done using sort by transformation. We are passing a function which provides the value as the sorting criteria. The resulting RDD IP counts ordered contains the IP addresses sorted in ascending order of their frequencies. So, take 10 will return top 10 most frequent IP addresses. You can see that it has returned the top 10 IP addresses.